Hi guys, good evening. I am Suhel Khalik Pinjari. Today date is 15th February 2022 and today I am discuss on the topic architecture of JVM. So let's start. First, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and which is present in our JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. We all know about Java. Java is a platform independent language. And why this platform independent language? The main role of in the main role of the JDK is because in a JDK so many tools are present and in that our dot plus file is converted in bytecode and after it bytecode file converted in our machine level language. So JVM is called as Java Virtual Machine. In this name, a virtual letter is here. That means it does not present physically. Is present. This machine is present virtually. So in that the JVM mainly classified in three parts. First one is class loader, second one is memory areas, and third one is execution engine. First one is class loader. In this class loader, the when when we create bytecode file or when we create bytecode means dot class file and this file goes to JVM. This file first goes in class loader and here some operations done on this bytecode means first this bytecode is checked properly. If this bytecode does not changes any data, then check it and after if the bytecode is okay and the dot class file is okay, after it the JVM allocate the memory for this file or for the variables or instance variable or methods or objects like some all for all JVM stored and JVM stored memory for all this for for this dot class file. After it in the class loader, some class loaders are available like bootstrap class loader and another class loaders are present and after it there the one is a linking process, verifying process. This process done in class loader. Next we come on memory areas. There are multiple types or different types memory areas. First one is method memory area. Second one is heap memory area. Third one is static memory area. And fourth one is PC register. And fifth one is native method memory area. So in a method area, there is a class level data stored in method area and heap memory area. There is a variables or instance variables stores in this heap memory area and the next one is stack memory area In that text stack memory area, there are methods and some instance variables stores in stack memory area. After next one is PC register. In that the execution or the address of next execution program or the next execution address is stored in this in the stack memory areas. And next one is native method area. Native method area name self indicated. Here is a here we store native methods or native methods related data. And next one is next part of the JVM or is execution engine. Execution engine means name self-integrated. It's an engine. It does not like a engine, but it's named as an engine because it's work as an engine and it's execute our program. That's why its name is a execution engine. In that, three main parts are present. First one is interpreter, second one is JIT compiler, and third one is garbage collection of some libraries. First one is interpreter. Interpreter, the work of interpreter is execute our program. But interpreter is disadvantage of interpreter is interpreter executes our program line by line. It does not execute our whole program and repeated methods like then this is a disadvantage of interpreter execute our program line by line and it's so slowly. Then next one is our JIT compiler. JIT compiler works is uh, when we create a multiple same method in our program. At that time, JIT compiler read out that that methods and same method. And we when program executed at that time, JIT compiler automatically execute these methods and with the help of JIT compiler, our execution of program is very fastly done very fastly. And next one is garbage collection. If if we create a object in our program and if we doesn't call this object and this object is only created but this is not in use, at that time the garbage collection is works. And the this object which does not used by us, this object is goes in a garbage collector. And in execution engine some libraries are also present here and some data is also present there which we which we want to execution of our program. That is the architecture of JVM. Okay, thank you.